Welcome back to Motivate Wealth. Today we will discuss how to multiply your wealth, where we explore the most effective strategies for growing your finances. We will unlock the path to limitless wealth, a step-by-step guide to multiplying your finances. In this video, we will reveal powerful strategies to help you multiply your wealth and achieve financial abundance. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the smartest wealth multiplication tactics. Let's get started. Step 1. Mindset mastery. The first key to multiplying your wealth is to develop a wealthy mindset. Believe that you are destined for financial success and cultivate a positive money mindset. Visualize abundance and reframe any negative beliefs about money. A strong money mindset is not just about increasing your wealth, it's about cultivating a more informed, responsible, and proactive relationship with money. It will lead to improved financial health, reduced stress related to finances, and a greater ability to achieve personal and financial goals. Step 2. Financial education. The second step is to gain knowledge about personal finance and investment strategies. Educate yourself by reading books, attending seminars, and leveraging online resources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true in the world of finance. Stay educated about market trends, investment strategies, and financial planning. It's like being a wealth wizard, always learning new spells to enhance your financial strength. If you are enjoying our content, please subscribe and hit that like button so we can share more content like this. Now let's continue on. Step 3. Multiple income streams. To multiply your wealth, you need to diversify your income. Don't rely solely on your job. Explore side businesses. Starting a business or investing in startups can be a high-reward strategy. If the business succeeds, it can provide significant returns. One way, real estate investments. Investing in real estate can offer both rental income and the potential for property value appreciation. Another example, stock market opportunities. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term. Creating multiple income streams will boost your overall financial success. Step 4. Strategic saving and budgeting. Take control of your finances by creating a budget and sticking to it. Prioritize saving a percentage of your income and invest it wisely. With disciplined saving and strategic budgeting, you'll be able to accumulate wealth faster. Step 5. Leveraging investments. Maximize your wealth growth by intelligently investing your money. Consider stocks, bonds, and real estate properties that align with your risk tolerance and goals. Leveraging investments can be a powerful tool for magnifying returns, but it comes with heightened risks. It's crucial to thoroughly understand these risks and have a well-thought-out investment strategy. Seek professional advice if needed and stay updated on market trends. Step 6. Reinvest and compound. Reinvest your returns to build the power of compounding. By reinvesting your profits, you'll continuously grow your wealth exponentially over time. Harness the power of compounding to unlock limitless financial potential. It will help your money grow at a faster rate. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing bigger over time. Remember, multiplying your wealth requires dedication, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to your financial goals. Stay focused, adapt to changes, and keep learning. With persistence, you can unlock the path to limitless wealth. Thank you for watching this video on Unlock the Path to Limitless Wealth, a step-by-step guide to multiplying your finances. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Take control of your financial future and let us be your guide. Thanks for watching Motivate Wealth, and see you in the next video.